Finding the roots of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation by factorization method. This is called this one more is the factorization method, not the formula method. This is the splitting the method. Factorization method. How to find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. Now we are going to learn. Let us take the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, and parallelly I will take that another equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So first let us take this. First question is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. How to find the roots of quadratic equation? This by using factorization method. What is the factorization method? Means splitting the middle term. We have to split the middle term as 5 in such a way that, so we have to take that x square coefficient is 1 into, what is the constant here? 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. We have to take the two numbers. If you multiply these two, you have to get that 6. When you add these same two numbers, when you add these two only, you should get 5. So which one we have to take? What are the possibilities of 6? We have to take 1 into 6, 6 into 1, 3 into 2 are the possibilities. If we take 1 into 6, you will get multiplication 6 only. If we add 1 and 6, you will not get 5. So 6 into 1 you are not supposed to take. So check that another possibility. 3 into 2 is 6. And 3 plus 2 also you are getting 5. Yes, this condition is satisfying. So we have to write that 5 will be written as 3 plus 2. So x square first term plus last term will be written as same is equal to 0. And middle term we have to split such a way that 3x plus 2x. Now this is called splitting the middle term. So you have to split the middle term in such a way we have to check the possibilities. So 3x plus 2x can be written, 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x. Now we got the 4 terms. From the 4 terms you have to take from the first 2 terms take common, and last 2 terms you have to take one thing is common. What is the common thing in the first two terms? X is the common. If we take x is the common, what is the leftover means x plus 3. Why? Because x square can be written as x into x, and 3x can be written as 3 into x. So in this x square 1x is the taken common, and 3x 1x is the taken common. What is the leftover? X plus 3x. So between plus is there. So I should write plus and 3. X plus 3 is the leftover things. Plus in these two things what is the common? Again the same. 2x can be written as 2 into x. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So what is the common in these two things? 2 is the common. If you take 2 is the common, what is left over here? X. Here middle between plus is there, plus, and 3 is left over is equal to 0. If you observe that x plus 3 and x plus 3 is there common in these two terms again. Between plus is there, between plus and after plus x plus 3 is the common. If you take that x plus 3 is the common, what is left over here? X plus is there plus and 2 is there left over is equal to 0. If you know that product of the roots, if you get that 0 means each term is 0 or either one of them is 0. So either x plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 3 or x equal to minus 2. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 by factorization method. So what are the roots we got? X equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 2. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. So second one, if we take that x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Same way, we have to split that minus x in such a way that two terms. So x square will be written as x square only, and minus 6 will be written as minus 6 equal to 0. minus x should be splitted into two terms. How can we split? Again the same method we have to follow. X square coefficient is that 1 into constant term is minus 6. So x square coefficient, what is there? Nothing is there means we have to take it as 1 and constant is minus 6. So 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So we have to multiply the two numbers. We have to multiply the two numbers. We should get minus 6. When we add the same two numbers, we should get x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? Minus 1. So what do we have to take? 6 can be written as 6 into 1, 3 into 2, or 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Here you should get minus 6 means either one of them should be having minus. So minus 6 into 1 or minus 1 into 6, minus 3 into 2 or minus 2 into 3. So these are the four possibilities. If we take the first one is minus 6, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 only, but minus 6 plus 1 when you add you will not get minus 1. So what we have to take? Minus 3 and minus 2 you take. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 only. Minus 3 plus 2 if we add you will get minus 1. If we take the 3 and minus 2 and 3 if we take, what will happen? 3 into minus 2 is also minus 6 only. But when we add 3 plus minus 2, we will get plus 1. So we should not take this set, this pair. This pair also we should not take. This pair also we should not take. This is the correct one. So minus 3 into 2 equal to minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So we have to check the possibilities in such a way. Big number minus 1 is answer should be minus 1 means big number should be having minus 1. When you add the two numbers you are getting negative means the big number should be having negative. So we have to take the big number. 3 should be having negative. So minus 1x can be written as minus 3x plus 2x. Again first from these two terms we have to take common. From these two things we have to take common. What's the common in these two things? Again x square can be written as x into x. 3x can be written as 3 into x. What is the common thing here? X is the common thing. So if you take x is the common, what is the left over here? X. Here minus is there, minus. What is the left over here? 3. So x into x minus 3. Plus in these two things, what is the left common thing? See, 2x is that 2 into x. We can write 6 can be written as 2 into 3. What is the common thing in these two things? In these two terms, what is the common term is 2 into leftover is x and 3. X 3. Middle minus is there, so minus should be written here is equal to 0. Again before plus and after plus, two terms have this common thing is x minus 3 can be written as common. X minus 3 is a common. What is the left over here? X and 2. X between plus is there, plus 2 is equal to 0. So product of the two terms is 0 means either one of them should be 0 or both of them also may be 0. That means x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. By using factorization method we got the roots. What are the roots here? X equal to 3 comma x equal to minus 2. This is the method of finding the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method.